A pretty lady, a pretty girl. When you be moving, you rock my world. I just wanna show you off. I just wanna show you off. I just wanna show you off.
What are we opening today?
The Barbie airplane.
We're opening the Barbie airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna open it.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Who bought you the airplane?
Auntie Brittany.
Auntie Brittany bought it for you?
Yes. I'm going to buy the airplane.
Yay!
Yeah.
Let's see, mommy get it open for you. Ooh, it's hard.
It's hard, Mommy. Open the scissors.
Okay.
Go open it, Mommy.
Okay, I'm opening it with the scissors.
Okay. Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes?
Open the airplane.
It's Nova's airplane.
That's my airplane. That's a big airplane.
It's a big airplane.
That's a big airplane.
Whoa.
Oh, the big airplane.
It's a big airplane. Let's get it.
Ooh, that's a big airplane too. Okay, Mommy. I told you.
Tell me what?
You.
I gotta cut it so the wheels can come out.
Oh, the wheels come out. Oh.
Yeah, because they're stuck.
Oh.
So I gotta cut
Mommy,
it.
what's that new shirt, Mommy?
It's the Pink Panther.
Oh, Pink Panther.
The Pink Panther's on my shirt.
Oh, Pink Panther new shirt.
Yes.
Okay. Mommy, open it.
I'm trying.
Try to open it, Mommy.
I'm trying.
Whoa. That's a big airplane.
Whoa! Look at how big it is, Mama.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Huge airplane.
Whoa! What are these?
Really?
The wings?
Yeah, the wings.
Wow! It's almost bigger than you. Look at this. Wow! It's the same size as you.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to open it and see
Yeah.
what's inside of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a, what's it called?
It's your headphones.
That's the headphones.
And what else?
That's the Cheetos.
Cheetos! That one's the Cheetos?
Yeah,
That's Cheetos, aka a pillow. That's a pillow.
that's a pillow.
And the headphones and the bag for the doggy, like Frenchie.
No, not Frenchie. He in a cage.
Frenchie's in his bed.
Yeah, Frenchie, this is big.
Okay, so we're gonna open this.
Open this too. That's my toy, old toy.
Okay, now we're gonna open it, okay?
Okay. One. Let's open it.
So this is what's inside. Look, Mama. This is what's inside. We gotta take this stuff out.
Take this stuff out.
Yeah, we gotta take that out. Mommy gotta take that out of the bag for you.
Then this in back. That wing.
Okay.
Two.
Are these our chairs?
Do you see that? Do you all these pieces?
Okay. Oh, and this is, what is this?
Huh? This the wheels.
Is that the cart?
That's a cart.
So these are the stickers, okay?
These are stickers.
Those are stickers. So we gotta see, where do we put the stickers at on the Barbie airplane? So where do they go? Did you see the instructions? So let's see. Where does it say to put the stickers at? We got some stickers on already because they're watching TV clearly with the remote and the TV. So where does this sticker go, Nova?
That sticker go?
Where's this one go? Look on the box. The box right here. Look at, you see that one? It goes right there.
Yeah.
So where does that one at?
Right here.
Perfect. Okay, you want to put it on there?
Yeah, I put it on there. It's just stuck, Mommy.
It's stuck.
How's this just stuck? It's just stuck, Mommy.
Okay.
It's stuck, it's good.
Let me help you.
Can you help me, Mommy? It's just
Let me see.
stuck.
Got it. Okay, there you go. So hold on. Wait for Mommy. Hold on. We'll do it together, okay? Hold on, let's see what it looks like, okay? So,
This thing here.
yeah. Okay, got it?
Here.
Put it right in the middle of the square. See?
Uh-huh.
Oh, thanks, thick.
Let's go
Oh,
here.
shoosh. Yeah. Okay. Good girl. Yep, perfect. Okay.
Oh, these are the bottom one. The bottom ones go here. So,
Mm.
The coffee's go here.
What's that? Coffee?
Yeah.
Yummy.
That's funny.
What is that?
That's a mask.
That's a mask? Let me see it.
It's
Oh, it's a face mask.
And it's this.
I think that's a tray.
That's the tray to go in the back.
Yeah, so when they want to eat some food.
Oh.
We got to put the sticker on it, look. You see on the tray right here? It has the food. You see that?
Yeah.
So where's the sticker that has the food on it? You see any food on the stickers? Where's the food at on the stickers?
The food on the
Look,
stickers.
look at the stickers. Where's the food at? Oh, they eating good sushi. Where's the food at?
The food right
Look it. No, look on the stickers, Mama. Where's the food?
The food is going here and here.
Yes! Okay, so you gotta put it on the trays. So when they're hungry, they could eat it.
Okay, this bottle.
You gotta put the stickers on it.
Here.
What's this? What is this? What kind of food is this?
No, the eats.
Oh, the eats.
Yeah.
What's that?
The masterpiece.
It's a sleeping mask.
Sleeping mask.
Yeah.
Thank you, happy me, mommy.
You're welcome, baby. This is sweet.
Okay, put this in the. Oh, look at them. These and these.
Oh, those go in the tray.
That's going in the
These go
tray.
in the tray. So when you go buy them, you could give them the food. So you put the trays inside of the the cart. You see, you put them in here.
This one, oh, it's here.
Yeah.
Oh, this one goes here.
Oh, you want to put it right there? Okay.
Yeah, this one goes here.
Okay. Hey! Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing. I try going that in here.
Oh, you're going to the airplane. Okay.
What?
Hey, you got my bag? Oh, thanks, girl. I got my suitcase.
Oh, look at this mess.
Oh, my mask. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm running so late from my plane. I mean, it's a private jet, but whatever. Oh, you have my mask. Oh, thank you, honey. Where can I sit at on the plane?
Right there.
Oh, can you please help me escort me on the plane, please? Oh my goodness, my skirt, it always comes up. Oh goodness, this mini skirt. Okay. Can you put me on the airplane? I have some things in my luggage. Oh, you can put the mask on me first. Oh, okay. Do I put the mask on before I get on the plane? Okay, I can't see though. Oh no, can you get my blanket out of my suitcase? Okay. Oh, you're just gonna put my suitcase? Okay, well, perfect. All right. So, where should I sit? Over there?
Yes.
Over there. Okay.
So you make it right here.
You're gonna put my suitcase over. Okay.
This one here.
Well, can you get my blanket out? My blanket's in my suitcase.
This one here.
No, that's a mask. I'll take that though.
Like that.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, it's okay. I'll take it.
Okay,
I'll get it off the ground. Okay, you still have it. Okay.
okay, open the
Okay. Oh, all right. Where are we going? You want me to get it or? Okay, you're gonna put it in there with this dog. Now, whose dog is this? Oh, it's Frenchie. Oh, okay. Is it her dog over here?
Yeah.
Oh, who are these people on the plane? Oh my goodness, my skirt. Oh, I need some more pants.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's not your fault. Okay, so can I? You want me to take that on or what's? Okay, the dog is just on the ground now. Is he okay?
Yeah.
Oh, this is normal. All right. Okay, so now who's this girl with the pretty hair right here?
That's Frenchie.
Oh, her name's Frenchie too?
No, that's Frenchie in the back.
Okay, that's Frenchie in the bag. Okay. Okay, I'm running really late, so we could hurry this up.
I'll give you a suitcase.
Oh, thank you. Did you get my blanket out?
No.
Oh, well, could you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Oh, just go. All right. Thank you. Put it in storage. Okay, we'll just get it later. All right, I'm ready to get in. Can you help me in? Can you put me in my seat, please?
Yeah, put it in the seat.
Thank you.
Stop it here.
Okay, we're gonna put the. Oh, darn. Is there a mechanical problem with the airplane? Uh-oh. I didn't snap that in. Okay. Oops.
Oh, this one's here. Oh.
Oh, you're just gonna Let's get this part in. Oh, snapped it in. Okay, cool. Oh yes, my seatbelt, please. Oh, maybe this colorful hair lady is the flight attendant. Maybe she. Okay. Oh, did all the food just fall on the ground? That's okay. No big deal.
No big deal. Let's go here. Baby's go here. Baby's go here.
Thank you for closing my legs for me.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right. Oh, Oh, these chairs are comfortable. Oh, you got my seatbelt on? Thank you. Safety first. Safety first. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so does she have her seatbelt on?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Talisha.
Talisha. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, okay. We're closing it up. Okay. We'll close the airplane. Well, we gotta stay. Okay. Oh, let's close it. Oh. Okay.
Close it. Oh, got these in.
They forgot the food.
Got the food in here.
You want to put the food on their tray tables? Let's fix Talisha's hair. Is it Talisa or Talisha?
Talisha.
Talisha. Okay. Well, Talisha.
Oh, put this in.
Let's get them a little tray table because they gotta eat because they're hungry.
You're hungry? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll put this in here.
Okay. That's just okay. Their food's on the ground now. See? The cart's on top of their food.
Oh, I got
You're just gonna close. Okay.
Just close it.
Oh, just close it. It'll all work out.
Hey,
Oh, her hair is stuck. Her hair is stuck. Oh no.
Oh, I put it on. Put that.
Oh, and look, somebody forgot the face mask.
Oh, it's face mask.
Oh my goodness.
And this chair.
And the tray. Oh my goodness. I gotta open it back up again. Look at the pilot. Is it an emergency or is she sticking out? Huh, okay.
Now it's done.
Okay. Oh wait, I think, do they need to store anything in here? I think this is storage.
That's the storage.
Is this where you, oh, maybe not. This is not open. Oh,
No, it's not open.
oh okay. Oh, it does open though. It shows on the box it opens. It says it opens. Yeah, but never mind. All right, so ready for takeoff. Whoa. Okay.
That's that. Oh, you do it, Mom.
Okay.
Mommy, you do it.
Want me to do it?
Yeah, you do it.
Vroom.
Mommy, you do it.
What do you want me to do?
You put it right here.
Oh, okay. You want me to put it in the sky?
Yeah, in the sky.
Got you, girl. Oh, shoot. You didn't close the cabin doors. Good enough. Okay.
We're finished.
Oh, okay. Are we doing emergency landing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Emergency landing, emergency abort mission, abort mission. Okay. Yeah. Okay, they landed. So where are they?
Are they? We're here.
Oh, I know, but where are they? Did they go to Hawaii? Did they go to Mexico?
No.
Did they go to, where did they go?
Right here.
Oh, they just came to Georgia? Oh, okay, they're in Atlanta. Oh, perfect. Excuse me, I would like some water, please.
Yes, I have it right here.
Oh, can you give it to me?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I think Talisha's thirsty as well. Oh, thank you. Okay. All right. Excuse me, girl. I want some coffee.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate you. I could drink it myself. Oh, thank you. Oh, I was so parched.
You hot? Hot?
Oh.
You hot?
Hmm?
You hot? You hot?
I'm not hot. Are you hot? I'm not hot at all. Are you hot, pilot? Is the pilot hot? Because she been having her head out of the cabin for a long time, so I don't know what she got going on.
Let's go out. Oh, the train out.
I think they're hungry.
Oh, they go all hungry.
Yeah, they're hungry. So
Your food.
we should How about okay, we'll move the tray thing.
And here.
We'll take the tray. We gotta set up their tables for them. So, I think Talisha should eat first because she seems like she's hungry. Okay.
Let's eat.
Oh, okay.
Alicia's hungry.
Okay.
Alicia's hungry.
So what are you serving? Oh, you just spilled it all over me. Oh my gosh. You spilled it all over me.
Okay, and I promise.
Oh, you gonna leave it? Okay. Oh, it's okay.
Perfect. You wanna get out?
I don't know. What do they want to do?
Do you wanna go get out?
They want to get out?
Yeah.
Okay. Are they? Oh, cause they're here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go get out. Okay, one kid.
Oh, closing them in again.
Okay.
I need my blanket.
Oh.
My blanket.
Oh.
My blanket. Can you get my blanket, please? Hurry! I'm so cold.
Okay. I got your blanket, but I'll take you out home. Okay.
Let me open it. Let me help you open it. She's cold. She wants her blanket.
Okay. Take your blanket.
Oh yes. Oh, and my magazine. I forgot about that. My magazine.
I'll put this in here.
Oh, you gonna put the tray table in my suitcase? Okay.
Yeah.
Well.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Don't apologize. It's normal.
Put this in here.
Oh, I wanted to leave my magazine out because I want to read. Can you give that to me?
Yes.
Thanks. Oh, thank you. Perfect. My favorite. Yes.
I'll put this in here.
Okay, thank you. Put my suitcase back there. All right.
Oh, look it.
My blanket. Almost forgot about it.
Your blanket.
Oh, yes.
You put your blanket in
Oh,
here.
okay. I can't see my magazine anymore, but it's okay.
Okay, I'll put your blanket in here.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you, girl. Thanks, girl.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. They're flying through the sky. Whoa. Their car pulled up. Oh, look at that. Cause they gotta go. They gotta go to a party.
Okay. Bye, Barbie. She needs to get out.
Oh, her seatbelt's on. She's stuck.
Yeah, she's stuck.
Okay, get her out. Hurry. They're gonna be late for their party.
They do this party. This party.
Okay.
This party. Yeah.
Well, baby, you should put the Barbies in first, and then you could put the suitcase in. Oh, okay, perfect.
Now take this and food here.
Okay. Oh, the food is gonna go in. Okay. I can put the food in the suitcase.
And the food.
You don't think it's gonna be nasty?
No.
Okay.
Oh. Let me take this off right here.
What do you say?
Please.
Okay. Let me open it for you.
Take all
Okay.
the food in here.
You're gonna take, they're gonna take some of the food from the plane. Cause they like, why not? We paid $500 for this flight.
Oh. Take off.
Now, Nova, what's her name?
Mommy.
Mommy? That's Mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, it's me. Okay, I gotta, let me get out of here.
You? I put this in.
Hey, Nova, it's me, Mommy.
Okay.
Hey, it's me.
That's fine.
I'm Mommy. Hey, Nova.
Hi.
What are we about to do, daughter?
I'm gonna end it in the ice cream.
We're gonna go get some ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, well, are we gonna help our guests off of the plane? Or are they gonna just stay there?
She just going in, but she's in the car.
Okay, that's weird. Oh, you got her out. Okay, perfect. Okay. Yes, put her in and she could drive because Mommy does not feel like driving.
Okay.
Okay.
Go on the airplane.
Yeah, where's she gonna sit at? Where is she gonna sit? Oh my gosh, she's sitting in my seat. All right, so where's Mommy gonna sit at now?
Right here.
Oh, so I'm gonna stay on the plane and they're gonna go eat ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Oh, the glasses put this in here.
But Mommy wants to go eat ice cream too.
You don't. You want to go on the airplane and see the ice cream cake?
So I just have to stay on the airplane and they get to go eat ice cream?
Yeah.
Why can't I go eat ice cream? know. Do I have to take the airplane there? How am I gonna get there? There's only 2 seats in the car and there's nowhere for me to sit at. I'm so sad. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna give me an empty cart?
Empty cart.
How is this supposed to make me feel better?
Because you're hungry.
Because I'm hungry, so where's the food at?
The food are?
Stressed out.
It's in the cart.
Oh, okay. Oh, I got you. Okay, the suitcase. Okay, give me the suitcase.
Okay.
I'll take the suitcase with all this food. It's the sushi and the salad. Okay, get that to me. Oh, thank you. Oh, you just took it back. You just took it back. Oh, yes, finally. Can you feed me? I'm so hungry.
Okay, feed them.
Please. Oh. Amen. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you gonna eat some?
No, thank you.
No. Okay. Why, is something wrong with it? Why are you do not want to eat any and you gave it to me?
Okay.
Mwah.
Thank you.
Give me a kiss. Mwah. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, so where are we about to go?
I'm gonna get the ice cream.
Okay, we're about to go get ice cream. Okay, so let's get this show on a road.
Oh, ice cream. Mommy, can you help me, please?
Help you, please? Okay,
Yeah.
I got it.
This is not.
It's not closing. I think that this one's too big.
Huh?
We gotta take this one out.
Take this out one?
Yes.
Okay, take it on the puppy thing here.
Oh, we forgot about the puppy.
The puppy going in here.
Oh my God, girl, are we gonna leave or not? I want some ice cream.
Okay. Put the puppy in.
Come on, let's drive.
Okay.
Let's drive. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Don't drive yet.
Oh, okay.
Let me take this out,
What do you say?
please.
Okay.
Puppy's going in.
You just, I mean, why don't you keep it open?
Yeah, because.
Oh, okay, because what?
Open it.
Talisha wants her dog. Is it Talisa or Talisha? I cannot remember her name. Talisha? Or is it Talisa?
Delicious.
Talisha. Who do you know named Talisha? Because what?
Put this in here.
Okay. So, perfect.
Put this in here.
It doesn't fit, Nova.
Oh,
It doesn't fit in there.
this fit in there.
Okay.
This fit. Mommy, open it. Put it here.
Okay, thank you. I will just take this. Oh, thank you. I gotta take it on the airplane with me as the pilot. It is my job.
Oh. Okay, perfect.
Excuse me, no, Miss Novalicious. When are we about to leave?
I'm in the airport land.
Are we at the airport? Oh my gosh, I thought we would never make it. I thought we were getting ice cream, but whatever. Are we gonna get ice cream or are we going to the airport?
We're going to the airport.
Okay, can you put me on the plane, please? And I'm cold. May I please have my blanket?
I'll give you the blanket. Bring me back. Yeah. Let's put this one here. Put this one here. Okay, here you go. This one here. Okay, here.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
See the bottom, I put this one. Everything okay?
All right.
No, we don't leave yet.
Are we not leaving yet?
Yeah. You got Talisha.
Okay. Talisha. Oh, we forgot Talisha. Oh, what's her name?
Kylie.
Kylie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Kylie over there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Kylie. Oh, my gosh. So, Kylie and Talisha.
Kylie and Talisha.
Okay, and then who am I again? Who's this one?
That's Talisha.
Tavisha?
No, Talisha.
So that one's Talisha. I want to know who you met named Talisha. Okay, that's Talisha. That's Kylie. Who is this one?
That's Kylie. That's Kylie too.
No, who's this one?
That's Talisha.
Okay, look. This is Kylie. No, this is Talisha. This is Kylie. Who is this one?
That's Kylie.
Okay, so there's 2 Kylies.
2 Kylie.
Oh, okay, Kylie 1 and Kylie 2. So this isn't Mommy anymore. Now it's Kylie. So this is Kylie 2.
No, that's Mommy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it's Mommy.
Okay.
Okay, I think they gotta take off. You gotta tell YouTube that it's time to take off.
Take off.
The airplane is about to take off. Are you ready?
Yeah, Mama's gonna playground.
You gotta say bye to them.
Bye, YouTube.
And say bye to the Barbies because they're taking off.
Okay, bye, Barbie.
To see you later.
Bye.
Barbie airplane.
You got a car in it.
This is a private jet, huh?
Yeah.
You got 2 people.
That's good. Making it.
This is what it happened. What is this?
There's a cart.
It's a cart?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where you put the food in, you know, when they come down the aisle.
I thought so.
Where's the food, Mama? See? Tell Daddy you put the food in the cart.
The food is going to cart right here.
Uh-oh.
The food is going to cart right here.
Oh, snap. You can play with a black flight attendant. She's driving. She must be the artist.
The artist that's on the camera.
Reggie?
Who is? Frenchie? This is just your dog. That ain't like that.
She got suitcase.
Luggage.
Luggage. Yeah, she got luggage in the hand. Luggage.
Show Auntie the TV on the back of the seats.
Back in the seat.
Yeah, the TV.
TV.
And the magazines.
There's this.
Yeah, I got the TV and the magazines back there.
Lovely. Wow.
Wow, that was cute with the max.
I wish I had one when I was a little girl.
No, your auntie. Your auntie. That's auntie. That's auntie.
Oh.
There's the pizzas. That's the
Oh,
foodies.
that's the menu. Oh, nice.
That's the food is going to cheer. Food is going to cheer with it.
What's that?
Let's go right here.
What's that?
Let's go right here there.
It's a magazine?
Vaccine is going. The man is going here.